How to extract zip files in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to unpack a compressed file in just a few steps. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the zip file you want to extract. From there, right-click on the file and select Extract All from the menu that appears. After that, a window will pop up showing the destination folder where the extracted files will be saved. Following this, you can leave it as the default location, or click Browse to choose a different folder if you'd rather save it somewhere specific. At this point, make sure the box for Show Extracted Files When Complete is checked if you want File Explorer to open that folder automatically once it's done. From here, click Extract, and Windows will unpack everything inside the zip file into the destination folder. Finally, once the process finishes, you'll be able to access every file just like normal, completely separate from the original zip. That's how you extract zip files in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.